Yo, what's going on, everybody? Bitcoin Chris checking in once again. Happy Wednesday. And if you woke up today, you're blessed. A late update, but late video is better than no video, right? Bitcoin pumped up to 30,000 today, and then we came right back down because, these exchanges love to play games, guys. These exchanges love to liquidate people that go excessively long, when Bitcoin's pumping. So, it went right up and then we came right back down, and then now we're coming right back up. We also got news that the United States is going to be raising the debt ceiling, right? So, Bitcoin has no top because fiat has no bottom, or yeah, I guess I guess that's what Max Kaiser says, if I'm not mistaken. Before we jump into the Bitcoin price, make sure you head over to swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris. Make sure that you get your free 10 bucks in Bitcoin, and that way you can automatically set up your DCA, dollar cost average, no matter the price, guys, because in a year, 2, 5, 10 years, you're going to be so happy that you've been stacking away at these unbelievable discounted prices, right? So we're going to jump into the Bitcoin price, and what I'm going to do is, instead of going into the phone, I'm going to do it on my big screen. All right, so let me first, before we talk about Bitcoin, let me tell you guys about this stock, right? This stock is called Zim. It is a shipping service stock, and the reason why I'm actually watching this stock is because it pays dividends, guys. And what you can do is, if you're looking for cash flow and you don't have a ton of money, or you do have a ton of money is different for everybody, right? So let's just say you have, for an example, 20 to 50 grand, right? If you have that much, instead of you purchasing a property, right, which is an option as well, but what you can do is buy, let's just say 40 grand of this stock, right? And this stock will pay you a dividend, and that way you're buying cash flow. And then on top of that, not only will you get paid a dividend, when the stock price goes up, you'll also make money with the price going up as well. So you're getting paid twice, which is great, sort of like real estate as well, because you guys know in real estate that you guys get appreciation, right? And then you get tax deductions as well, especially with depreciation. And if you refinance, right, you can do a cash out refinance. That's borrowed money. You don't get taxed on borrowed money, so that's another strategy that you can do. But if you don't want to do that and go through the whole headache of finding tenants and doing all that stuff, and fixing up the house, and doing all that, it's a lot easier to just buy this stock, and then just collect your dividends and also get paid when the stock price goes up. So that's a great little hack there. Now let's jump back into it. So let me get over to the Bitcoin price. So here today we hit 30,000, and then we came right down to about, what did we hit? What's the low that we hit? We hit 27.2. Wow. So we went to 30,000 down to 27.2, and now we're right back up. Then we came up and touched 29.5 basically, and then right now we're at 28.9. So let's look at, let's jump to the hourly chart. All right, cool. So now we're on the hourly chart. We were riding those ribbons up. I think I posted a video yesterday where I said this could go. Man, I think I'm pretty nice, guys. If you go watch the video from yesterday, I said this looks like a bullish divergence, and you know what happened? We popped right on up. So if you were to trade, if you are trading, you would have made some money, if that's something that you were going to do. Also, I saw that on the market cipher indicator, which is something that I also talked about in the video as well. I think it was a higher time frame, so we'll check on that in just a moment. But money flow right now is looking really good. We got the green dot here on the hourly, which is really good. Money flow is looking really, really strong here, so that's a good thing. And we got some volume. You know, a lot of people. We got a nice sell, lots of sells on that hourly, and then we got a lot of buyback here. So let's check the 4-hour chart. Four-hour chart, and this is where I said it was going to be a bullish divergence. As you can see here, I did draw that. I said this is a bullish divergence on the 4-hour. We had the green dot, and what I'll do is green dot here, and you know, it went right up. Boom, boom, boom. Cool, so we went right up, and now we are looking. Let's look and see what this is doing. Okay, now let's make this bigger. VWAP pointing up on the 4-hour, which is good news. Let's see. We did come above the 50, coming down a little bit. We got stochastic and RSI pointing up. That's the black and the green. VWAP is the yellow. Momentum waves is the white, along with the blue. And then, like I said, the bullish divergence played out perfectly. So, you know, stop fading me, guys. And shout out to Crypto Face, because this is Market Cipher, how I'm able to, you know, determine what could possibly happen, what's probable. Now that I'm zooming in on this, money flow looks like it's starting to turn back up. So on the 4-hour, this is looking really good. We had a lot of money leave the asset here. It's when we had the sell-off. Boom, we had that red dot here. Boom, sell-off. So, you know, that's what happens. That's how we can tell what's going to happen. As you can see here, red diamond, boom, lines up right with the red dot there. Boom, so, you know, and we're under these ribbons. So, you know, you just got to play it smart, right? So, looking pretty good. Let's jump to the daily. Daily looking good. Back above the ribbons. We got some good buying volume. Let's see here. Let's look at the Market Cipher. We got this green dot here. What day was that? Green dot is on Wednesday, which is today, but since it's 7 o'clock, it's a new day on the chart, so that would be today. Boom. So we got a green dot here on the daily. We got VWAP looking like it. Oh, VWAP is turning up, which is the yellow line. Momentum coming up. We got money flow on the daily starting to come up, which is good, as well as momentum waves starting to turn up as well. Stochastic and RSI starting to turn up as well. So this is looking pretty good, guys. So I think we are going to pump. We'll see how this plays out. You know, so looking pretty good. Want to give you guys that update, you know, on this beautiful Wednesday, about to be Thursday, because it's, what time is it? It's 11:12 p.m. Eastern time. So, you know, just want to give you guys that update, you know, and, you know, continue to do you, continue to stack away, continue to love, and do what you can do, and spread light, spread joy, spread love, you know, give to people, help people out, stop being so mean, and, you know, unless they deserve it, right? But with that being said, this is Bitcoin Chris checking out. Much love, you guys. I will be posting another video tomorrow, so make sure you tune in, make sure you hit that like, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe, make sure to follow me on Twitter, which I'll jump into right now as well. Let's jump into some tweets. Shout out to the Sun Exchange, guys. So the Sun Exchange is a platform where you can, if you decide to, you can purchase solar panels, right, in Africa, and they'll pay you pretty much passive income for purchasing solar panels. And what I'll do is I'll leave that link in the description as well. That way you guys can join if you guys want to do that. They pay you in Bitcoin. You buy the solar panels in Bitcoin. They pay you out a decent ROI over time in Bitcoin. So I have 145 solar cells, and for the month of March, this is my update. They send you monthly updates there. So shout out to the Sun Exchange. Make sure you follow them. They follow me back. So they pretty much help out businesses in Africa, and they make sure that they use the power of the sun to, they pretty much use sustainable and energy to help those that need it the most in Africa. So shout out to the Sun Exchange. Been with them since 2019. If I'm not mistaken, I'm not 100% sure. I've been with them for a while. But let's jump into the tweets here. Make sure you follow me on Twitter and Instagram. It's going to be the same, Chris Knight 407. Make sure you follow me there. And then let's see here. Financial literacy. I tell you guys to fix your credit and to learn how money works, and you should do so. Being broke is not cool, and it's not attractive, apparently, as we all know. Texas had some crazy hail, so that was pretty crazy. I saw that, and we had some hail here in Florida. I don't know exactly what part of the city, what part of the state, but there was hail here as well. Lots of crazy weather going on lately.
It's only online. Tell you the truth, I also don't get it. Why not use regular dollars?
Bitcoin. You never heard of them a few weeks ago? Now everybody's talking about them, but is it a currency?
I don't know. Or is it more like a stock? Or is it a tulip bulb?
Or is
We're
it
going to
just
debate that.
Stupid.
Brother?
Yeah, you see, don't listen to these idiots on mainstream media. He called it stupid, but this is what they're paid to do, right? They're paid to mislead you guys, the sheep, right? Stop watching mainstream media. Stay off the mainstream media, guys. Oh my goodness. I just partnered up with this company, Bottom Line Concepts. If you are a business owner and you're looking to get a tax credit, this isn't anything as far as a loan goes. This is a tax credit if you were able to keep your employees throughout the pandemic. So if you're interested in that, click on that link. I'll also leave that as well in the description. Dear brothers and sisters, never get tired of doing good. Amen, amen, amen. That's what I mentioned earlier. Passes the U.S. Senate, U.S. House, passes a bill to increase the debt limit by 1.5 trillion, keep a lookout for this on your, I don't know if you guys look at what's in your food, because I do. If it has high glucose corn syrup, I definitely don't consume it. I try to make sure I'm aware of what I'm consuming, so I make sure to look at the labels. Make sure you guys are doing that as well. But look at this, guys, a bioengineered food ingredient. They're messing with the foods, guys, so just be alert. Be alert. Argentina to pay for imports in Chinese yuan, ditching the U.S. dollar. Everybody's just trying America right now. It's just a nonstop thing right now. Shout out to Luke. Make some money online for sure. People's out here buying Safe Moon. Don't do it. You're poor whether you want to accept it or not. That's because of inflation. Shout out to Jimmy. And if you guys want to fix your own credit, I got my ebook going on sale right now. If you do get the credit repair ebook, you get the business credit ebook as well, which teaches you how to structure your business correctly to get business funding. If you want to do that on your own, go ahead. And with that being said, I'm just going to pop on out. It's a beautiful bird. All right, so with that being said, this is Bitcoin Chris checking out. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Much love. Make sure you hit that like, share, subscribe. See you guys tomorrow. Make sure you're stacking your Bitcoin, and peace.